Hello guys, welcome back to our today's section. And first of all, I would like to tell you that we are here for the purpose of the playing our debate topic, and our debate topic is all about exam should be taken yes or no. So there is a team and B team. A team is from the exam should be not taken, and B team is from the okay. So B team is from the exam should be taken. So guys, I think that in today's time in educational system, there is a exam is becoming a most competitive exam. Means in the competitive exam there is a lots of the challenges is there. So should we face that problem? Yes or no? So guys, so that's all about our today's topic. So I would like to call Gunjan sister and this is sister. Please sister.
So, hello friend, we are gathered here for the debate. Our debate topic is exam should be taken or not. So, according to me, exam should not be taken because that one exam never ever decide our knowledge, and in that exam many kind of fraud also there. So that exam is just because of formality they take the exam. So, what do you think about that?
Sister, but for through giving exam we can recognize our ability, our skills, and we get some things learned through giving exam.
So after the means we sometimes some student are regret for doing the exam, means they are not able to do the exam, but they have lots of knowledge, and that exam in that exam they not shows their performance, so their soft skill also.
But how, sister, if we have hard work, if we have consistency, so I never ever think about the regret.
Exam according to me, exam is just for the knowledge of books, but they never ever think about the whole world, what in exactly happen in that world. And in exam the means some question is there, and that question is not just test our knowledge.
Okay, so I think definitely exam should not be taken because I think whenever just little childs are giving the exams, so definitely by that exam, if they got some kind of less amount of marks, so definitely their parents think that that child is not able to do too much kind of things in their life, and they judge by their marks to that child. So I think this should not be happen, and I think in today's time, I think there is no value of the exams because in many exams there is many kinds of copies are happening, like if we can take the example of suddenly exam of NEET, so that's also many kinds of scams are there in the exam. So I think we should not take the exams.
But according to me, brother, in the scam of NEET exam, there is no role of student. It is the role of the university, that college.
Bro, that exam is conducted by the one kind of peoples who means that exam that question paper was leaked by the peoples for just kind of students, not for the teachers.
But
And all
you know,
that.
brother, just because of some students, that all students are facing problems all that time.
That's why I'm saying that's why we should not take the exam.
But you know, brother, when you do not, when exam not be taken, so on that time we don't get information about someone, which type of qualities that person have, and you know,
Exam ever never defined that which kind of qualities we have. Everyone have the different kind of qualities. Suppose if anyone might be the good in the playing, anyone might be the good in some kind of other activities. Just for exam, we are doing the race between the opposite kind of peoples.
But you know, brother, in today's situation, everyone require degree. For getting that degree, you want to give exam. So what do you think about that?
Bro, we are taking that degree for the knowledge, not for the exams. That one kind of paper can't decide our future. I think you might be heard it.
So hello everyone, good afternoon. It's Miraj in front of you. My today's topic name is debate topic. I am from we should not take exam. According to me, we should not take exam because in their student life they pass only exam, not in their life. Means they give exam but they get very less marks in means they means this paper, and like means a neat paper means in last time teacher leak means neat paper. It is not good for exam. Thank you guys. What do you think about that?
Brother, you said that because of exam, children go in depression.
Yes.
So, suppose if exam should not be taken at that time. Suppose if one doctor is there, but they don't they don't hungry to give exam. At that time, they will not make doctor. Means they will not have lots of knowledge of doctor.
Sister, they have knowledge. They can experience.
No, without exam, how can how can we take knowledge?
They have experience about that. They can do.
No, but because of exam, we can get lots of confidence. And suppose if exam will not there, at that time everyone will make eyes. Everyone will make doctors. What do you
Sister,
think that?
because of means we should not take exam. Because of exam we get means most of the student means go in depression. It's not good for
Then they should do lots of study. No.
means because of study we get depression.
Brother, but exam is most important, because without exam how can we get success?
Means by experience also we get success.
No,
Means
only
most
from
of-
experience.
Sister, most of the shopkeeper they don't means not learn in their life. They only pass out 12, 11 like this.
But brother, according to me, exam should be taken, because without exam how can we